Hello, viewers. Good morning to all of you. I welcome all of you to my channel. Thanks for your all patronage given to my channel. I am Professor Ashish, a professor of a prominent institute. Astrology is my hobby for the past many years, and the experience today I am going to pour in for Gemini zodiac sign people. Please listen to it carefully because the profession which Gemini should do so that they can get name, fame, good marriage, love, happiness throughout the life. If you ask me my experience, why people in profession do not get promotion, progress, love, because in terms of their zodiac sign, they might have entered into a wrong profession. If your zodiac sign do not interact with your job professions, people will not favor you, your boss will not like you, he will not give you increment, promotion, and you will never see more opportunities knocking at your doorstep. Viewers, I will say you may or may not take astrology seriously yet. Finding a job that best suits your personality should be your priority. See, I am not a professional, it's my hobby. So, whatever I will say, I don't have any personal intention to please you. Whatever is mentioned in the ancient astrological text, Bhrigu Samhita, Chintamani Chamatkar, Jatak Parijat, and many other ancient texts which have been written long back, the content from those texts I am referring you. Even if you are not a typical Gemini person born between 21st May and 21st June who loves talking, participating in various activities, and thrives in an environment full of energy and action, our ideas might take sense to you. Viewers, Gemini people are controlled by Mercury planet. So it's very important that they must choose profession controlled by Mercury planet. Generally, in short, I will say the personality of Gemini is very attractive. Spend some time reading about your zodiac sign and you will convinced then the job you will do according to your zodiac will give you super success. The Gemini cluster is composed of viewers communicative and intellectual people with two faces, both creativity and adaptability characterized you. You Geminian are great with words and numbers, and sometimes people wonders when you stop. Just for a second you jump from one thing to another. Your favorite words must be flexible and freedom. You do things, talk to people, solve problems, even if sometimes it takes hours to decide what to do. That's right, you may need constant stimulation, but Gemini souls are known for being indecisive. You you maybe an exception? I will ask you. These are the Gemini's personality mentioned in the text. They are two-sided fellows. Working in an office from 9 to 5 is not your cup of tea. A fast-paced environment may give you all you need to flourish in your field, but it could also create a kind of prison for you. You want to learn about the world as well as discover and observe its wonders always. The best jobs for Gemini, I will say, includes like journalist, marketer, teacher, writer, tour guide, artist, scientist, communication professionals. Let's go in detail what the ancient text astrology mentioned about your job, where you can create super success. The first profession from a long years of experience in astrology, I will say marketer. Choose a profession where marketing is involved. If you are Gemini, communication professionals must know their target audience. Only then they can find the right tone to disseminate their message. Creating marketing strategies usually begins with identifying the target segments. Could you do this? If so, another great Gemini career path for you is becoming a marketer, and you will write super success story. Luckily for you, you don't have to feel imprisoned in an office. You could simply help companies to grow online while enjoying the sun yourself in some cool place like Bali or a breeze in Budapest. Ignore physical borders and use your words to assist clients from your home. You can look for marketing jobs and you can write super success story because God has bestowed you marketing talents. I am not saying the ancient astrological text has mentioned that Geminis, if they go for marketing, they will progress very fast. Second, I will say for you, journalist. Another Gemini career option that require lots of creativity yet is flexible and can satisfy your need is journalism. Establishing a relationship with others should go smoothly for you. Viewers, you just love talking to people. This is a skill all journalists must acquire. In addition to your excellence in cons- constructing text and speeches, your curiosity as a Gemini person could elevate you and make you a top notch journalist. Imagine how cool it would be to learn about a great variety of topics in a fast paced environment that a Gemini people loves. Is it heaven or what? And you would not go crazy tied to an office desk all day long. Viewers, journalists do a lot of field work. What about getting a job as a sport journalist with Sport Trader? If you prefer communicating in a visual way, explore websites and sell your photos where you will also get super success. Sell your news coverage, you will get super success. Any kind of radio journalism, TV journalism, you are the right guy. And if you get a chance, please do not lose those chance. It can give you super success story in your life. DJ or musician. This is another area where Gemini people can create wonders. Quite a lot of Gemini people end up in the entertainment industry. I have seen, I have many people from entertainment industry uh, who approaches me for seeing their horoscope. I have seen Gemini, many of them. Some of them pick up a headphone, grab a record player or a DJ set and start playing at wedding, exhibition openings and other events. You not only would avoid boredom by always getting a new gigs somewhere else, but could also start building a career as a musician or a DJ. You can become a professional singer also. Some of the best singer of the world are Geminian. Gemini people love learning new things. So viewers, why not become familiar with a new instrument once in a while? Music is a universal language that brings joy and satisfaction to any crowd. You can find your next uh, album, your super success story. So try to make some music album, sing a music or learn some instrument which can give you super success story. The next profession for Geminian, I will say teaching. As mentioned, viewers, your talent can easily manifest in teaching students of all ages. Don't envision a classroom with 30 students, though with platforms such as various online platforms are there where you can excel, you can teach language and other subjects. Advanced and native speakers are welcome to join various sites of linguistic also where you can show your talent. Platform differs, so you either prepare course classes beforehand or go online and teach in a virtual room in a real time and earn big money. Teaching can give you a lot of money, or even start a school or college or a consultancy or a career counseling. You will be a super success, I am assuring you. Another profession I will say, you guys, Geminian people, tour guide. Not all tour guides were born between 21st May and 21st June. But viewers, this profession would suit your personality. Your personality, you would never go get bored as a tour guide. Even if you do the same tour over and over again, you would talk to different groups. You could make great use of your creativity when talking about your city and its landmark, or when sharing stories about it. Only a local would know. Start your local tour guide career and see how much success you get because you have a astrological favor in tour activities. The next profession I will say, multitasker. Viewers, why focus on one type of job if Gemini people are known to be a fantastic multitasker? Combining side hustles, you could earn more income. If you feel you have had enough screen time, earn some extra bucks as a mover, as a handyman, a cleaner, or any other professions. You can combine multiple professions together and earn a big money. Are you an avid driver or cyclist? Try out what it's like dashing across your city as a food delivery driver with Postmates, or a grocery shopper and deliver it. Despite being a Gemini, you may need to recharge your batteries at home sometime. So taking online survey is also a good. Or delivering task as a virtual assistant with someone will be a very good options for you. People may overemphasize that the best career path for Gemini are those where you and your fellow could use their intelligence and creativity. Viewers, but your performance could also be appreciated as a driver. We want to hear something better. You could combine delivery with driving in your hometown. You could join platforms such as Uber or Ola or any kind of. You can run a taxis group of taxis or a travel agencies having a lot of vehicle, lot of taxis, or you can be head of some traveling agencies where a lot of taxis are being controlled. Being a great communicator and explorer, we could see you join two driving apps, drive passengers around town in your free time with Uber or Ola or any other brand. You need to be organized and manage your workload well, but you can do it. You are a Gemini, right? You can do anything. The other profession, viewers, I will say for you guys, which will help you to change your life, is content writer. Your constant hunger for new impulses could boost your productivity as a freelancer. Viewers, what's more, your creativity could drive you to take up some jobs where you could really shine. Most freelancers start by doing side hustles while keeping their full-time or part-time job and steer their ship towards the shore of full-time freelancing, keeping a steady pace. So don't wait, Gemini. Come on, go for content writing. Gemini people excel at playing with words, and your talent is not limited only to written forms. Have you ever considered working as a content writer? Companies providing services in various fields always look for new talents who could produce amazing content for them. We live in an era of content where you go, you see a snappy slogan and well structured text in various styles. Would you be interested in contributing to the success of organizations worldwide, most often remotely for international clients and with a feasible deadline? Write in depth analysis, press release, blog post, etc. about a wide range of topics that help you to earn a lot of money, a name, a good career for you. Viewers, these are some of the professions I have narrated from the ancient astrological text, which gives you super success if you are Gemini. I hope if you are choosing a profession related to the topics I mentioned, directly related or indirectly related, there is no doubt you will not get super favor astrologically. I have seen now many companies are recruiting people after their normal HR recruitment process. They go for consultation to some expert in astrology in terms of zodiac sign if the person whom we have recruited will match up with our organization or not. This is a trend I am seeing now in few companies where they would like to know more about the people who will join some big organization. Recently, I have been approached by some companies who have recruited people. They want more information about the zodiac sign of the person they have recruited so that they can tackle them properly and have business gain and know say they should not get any deception from them. Thank you, viewers. You can write me, ask me any astrological question. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.